Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add a line under text in Word. So you can very easily add this line under text in Word. So follow some my easy steps. So firstly need to add line in this letter. So just select these letters and so firstly need to click on here home tab and here you see this borders option. Click on this drop down and here you see this last option borders and shadings, so just click on it and here you need to here you see this style, so select here style like the straight line. You need to add this straight line or this dot line and so many lines will be there. And here you see this preview, you show the preview also, you see this and straight line. You need to select here last option custom and then you can here customize this. Just select this last option and select like style. Firstly select style, like I will select this first straight line again and you change the color also and you can select this automatically and you can here standard colors are there, this red, orange and weight will be, you can change this weight like 6 pt and 1 pt and now click on OK. So you see this will be line will be added. First to remember, first select and then you can click on here borders and then you can this last option borders and settings. So firstly select this letters and then you can follow these steps. So this way you can very easily add a line under text in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.